All right, another 1 minute video from myself, Christina Hawkins. I'm going to answer the question, what are some of the biggest emerging trends you'll see in social media? First, it's super hard to track this. I feel like it's constantly changing, but I'm going to do my best. First, live streams. If you haven't done these yet, they're excellent. If you haven't seen live streams, you've at least been notified of them. I think that's one of the greatest thing about live streams. Another is video still remains at the top of the game along with live streams. The third is stories are not just for Instagram anymore. If you've noticed on YouTube, you'll see stories all over the place. Fourth, authority and transparency. Try not to be so slick in your videos. Be real. It's okay to pop open an iPhone. Fifth, Facebook groups. It's super hard on Facebook to get any eyeballs on these without paying Facebook or boosting a post. So I recommend trying to get a group together is a really great way of like-minded people. You show up as the authority because you're going to share what you know and the skills that you have, and you're going to engage your customers, your group, your peeps in Facebook. That's my dog. And finally, Instagram can be for B2B. If you're energy or construction, it's okay to use Instagram. It's not just for influencers. You can share your latest products, your latest process, your team, your latest award on Instagram, as well as LinkedIn.